Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel, and this is Techless here. So today guys, we'll be seeing how to improve or increase your performance of your Potato PC or a low-end PC. I call it better Potato because it seems much better. I mean, you know what? Like when you call your PC a potato, you feel like a gamer. So yeah, let's get started. But guys, before that, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this stuff, and what you want next, comment that down below, and all the links will be in the description. And guys, if you want more performance, and if you want more FPS, like 100 FPS on like Intel i3, just join the Discord server. People are chatting right now there. If you join that, you'll get above 100 FPS. I hope so. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step is to go to your libraries and one second to go to your libraries and whatever is there, like take buy a SSD. So first buy a SSD. I can give you some links for the SSDs in the link in the description if you guys want it, because SSD and putting your SSD in that I mean putting your OS in that SSD will give you better speed. And before, what I was doing, I didn't have an SSD, I just had the hard disk. So whenever I opened Discord while playing any game, it used to lag like hell and I couldn't do anything. So store all your games in your SSD, and all type of documents, pictures, videos, and whatever it is, store in your local disk. Never store anything in your SanDisk. I mean your SSD. If you do store it, all the data might be gone sometime. So just keep only installed stuff like your games or any other stuff. So the next thing is, I have a game here called Valorant, Discord, and that's not a game though, but Razer Cortex. So second step is Razer Cortex. If you have like a a good PC but it still lags a lot, I recommend you guys to go download Razer Cortex. You guys will get it easily in Chrome. Just go to Chrome and type Razer Cortex, and you guys will get the razercortex.com. Click on the game booster, and it's a system booster as well. So as you can see right here, I have Razer Cortex, and it'll automatically detect your game if you have a game. And then if you go to system booster, it'll show you all the things. If you keep your games in your SSD, it won't defrag the games. It'll only defrag the games which are in the TB, I mean hard disk. Sorry, I am stuttering a little bit. As you can see, if you click on my rig, it will give you everything about your computer: the GPU, CPU, memory, current resolution, your driver version, and all the other stuff if you click on create diagnostic report. So in the optimize section, click on scan, and then optimize your PC first before playing any game. So right here it has been from 185. Before this, I had got like 800 MB for speeding up, and like 32 stuff to optimize. So right here I click on optimize, and then it's optimized. There we go. And then we go to Booster Prime in the game booster section. Right here it will show you specific games. You can optimize that game for your PC. Some of the because some of the games are not optimized, like Valorant is not yet optimized for all the PCs, so we do need these kind of softwares you can use for optimizing the game. As you can see, you can change it over here, and anti-aliasing and this anisotropic filtering. Okay, this when you open the game, some settings might be changed, so please go to your game, and after you go to the game, change all the settings to low and off. So you can click optimize right here after you choose your stuff right here. So some of the games will give you more FPS in full screen, and some of them in windowed. So I'm just gonna put this and click on optimize. And then as you can see, your game will be optimized, and the predicted FPS is 145, but it won't give you 145 because when you find a player or you're playing in game, it'll give you like maximum 35. Yes, I get like 30 to 45, and there are some in-game settings you have to do in Valorant if you want more FPS. But we are not talking about only Valorant, we are talking about the performance of the PC. So after that, system booster, after you're boosting that's done. And the third step is, you guys can hold Windows plus R, and you will get this program right here called run window, or you can just go over here and type RUN and then click on it. That's all. So right here, come and type the MP, which is called temporary files, and when it opens, select all, press delete and enter. And if it shows it can't delete, just click do this for all current item and then skip, so that not the main stuff gets deleted. And then click on Windows R again and then type percentage temp percentage, and after you open it, click select all and then delete that too. If some of them didn't get deleted, do this thing for all and then just skip it. So that's it for three simple steps, and the last steps is gonna dramatically increase your PC, but the look of your PC might be changed. So I recommend, if you like the look of your PC and you're not like I want the performance, I don't like looks, I'm fine without looks, I want the performance of the PC, do this. And if you're like no, I want the looks, still do this. I'll show you how to still get the looks with the performance. So right here we have to go to libraries, actually nothing over there. And after we go to this PC and then right click anywhere in the blank space and then click on properties, and then we go. And one thing guys, you might be wondering, why do I have this normal Windows wallpaper? Because I just repaired my OS because my OS was corrupted. And the other thing, your computer might be lagging because you might have a corrupted OS. So please check to a repair shop or anywhere that your OS is corrupted and something's happening. You guys can just check it out like that. And then go to advanced systems. Okay, I'll just do this step again. So right click in the blank space in this PC section of your libraries and click on properties, and then as you can see over here, advanced system settings, and this thing should pop up for you. And as you can see, performance, visual effects and all stuff. So right here, click on adjust for best for performance. After you click on it, all the ticks will go and then you can click on apply. But if you want the looks with it, you want the looks because all the text will become like so thin like sticks, you can't even like see properly. It will be like a real potato PC. So just enable some of them like shadows under Windows. Okay, we don't need that. Show thumbnails instead of icons because I do need it. And smooth edges of this stuff, and mouse under shadows under mouse one. So these three just check and then apply. If you don't need those also, it's basically fine. And then click on OK. And that's all for these steps. And if you want to do more, I mean, after doing that thing, your PC should dramatically become smoother and faster and might have a better performance. So, and then go to your recycle bin, just right click and then empty recycle bin. Yes, and then after all this, just restart your computer once. Right here, you can just restart it and it'll be all done. So that is it guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope your computer gets better performance and better FPS. And be sure to join our Discord server. We are almost like 400 people. So that is it. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.